Again, welcome back, guys. I got another signal. So as usual, I'm using the same strategy, my own strategy that I developed and refined over years. So let's open a sell position first. And yeah, with $300, and I believe that the market will start creating a downtrend, and most of my next trades will be sell positions. All right. So as I was saying, guys, the strategy that I'm using here is mine. I spent years in trying to combine different indicators, and finally I found out that you shouldn't use too many indicators. I only use MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and Parabolic SAR. And yeah, I teach my trading strategy on my course. The course is in this. The link to the course is in the description below. Or the access to the first chapter is totally for free. You don't need to enter your email or any personal information. So just go to learnthestrategy.com/free. So learnthestrategy.com/free, and you can start learning immediately. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm trading Euro USD OTC. Um, I don't recommend trading OTC unless you are 100% sure about what you are doing and you are 100% trust your strategy, right? Um, Great, the first win. Sorry. So, as I was saying, let's go down this time. As I was saying, the market will create a downtrend. We keep creating a downtrend. And yeah, I'm expecting to see red. So the market will try to go from the upper band, as you can see, from the upper band of the Bollinger Band, and it will try to go all the way down to the middle band, or perhaps to the lower band. Yeah, so as I was saying, binary option trading, guys, is legal. Some people prefer trading forex, others prefer trading crypto. I prefer trading binary options. It's legal, but it has a bad reputation. Beautiful. Yeah, it has a bad reputation because many brokers and platforms operate in a scam like manner. Yet this one, I still believe that we will see another sell position or a down position. Yeah, so let's open another sell position or a low position, and I expect. So perhaps the market will create some green next, some green candles. So back to what I was talking about. I said that binary option is legal, but a lot of platforms make it a scam because, yeah, it's legit in some countries. Regulated brokers exist, but it has high risk. Most traders lose money. Yeah. So now I believe that I'm going to see an uptrend. Oh, so now give me a second. This was clear, beautiful. Let's go up this time. But I still believe that we will see some down positions. So as I was saying, guys, binary options is highly risky, and a lot of traders that don't have good strategies and good risk management plans end up losing money. Also, there is many scam brokers that manipulate prices and don't allow withdrawals. Even if you're making thousands of dollars, they will not let you withdraw. Also, it's like gambling. It's gambling like nature. Um, you're betting on price movement within a fixed time. Great. Okay, let's open another buy position. But this will be the last one before the market will start to go down again. This one is 100% going to be green. 100% going to be green. But next, I'm not yet. Next, perhaps we will start to see some red. So as I was saying, are binary option brokers trustworthy? I mean, many binary options brokers are unregulated or manipulate prices to make you lose. So you should be careful when choosing one. Also, there's some scams that they use, like they use fake price movements, they manipulate candles. They also they will you will find the withdrawal issues. Yeah, let me just check here. So now, yeah, now we will start to see the down starting, the red starting. So let's go down. I'm not sure about this one being red, but I don't believe that the market will go above or end up being above this level, right? It will come back down, hopefully. If I'm losing, that's okay. I already made 4 trades or 4 wins. So as I was saying, the withdrawal issues with brokers, it's hard to withdraw your money. That's why it's like scam. They're not legit. Also, the account management, they will force you to deposit more before letting you withdraw. Even though I found out a way to withdraw my money, but it's not all the time easy. Yeah, this one. So let's sell again. Let's sell again. And yeah, most of the time there's no regulations. Yeah, binary IQ option, as I'm doing here, I'm trading on IQ option. It's popular but not regulated in many countries. There's also pocket option, Kotex. I don't recommend any of those. You should make your own research before choosing one. So be careful because a lot of brokers are scammers and you may lose money. Like most of the binary option traders do. They lose their money. Great. They lose money because binary option payout are unfair. If you win, you get 70 to 95%, but if you lose 100%. So that's unfair. And there's no way to manage risk. You either win or lose everything on a trade. The risk is limited, but it's real. Also, there's emotional trading. Many beginners out overtrade and lose all their money fast. You are chasing money fast and you will lose fast. So I guess this will be the last trade, guys. Hope that you enjoyed. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are made for entertainment purposes only. And I'm not telling you in any way that you will make the same amount of money. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So be careful when trading with real money. Trade with demo account first. Try to refine your strategy. Trying to master a good trading strategy, and then you can start thinking about trading with real money. Before that, don't risk any penny. Great, I guess that's it. Um, yeah,